We are going to talk about how to backup and restore notes on iPhone. Firstly, enter Syncus. You will find its official website. Open Sync's official website www.sync.com. Then go to its download center. Here find Sync's mobile manager and download it. Download its Windows Virtual or Mac Virtual according to your need. Sync's mobile manager helps you easily manage your iPhone, iPad, iPod, and Android devices. Start Sync's mobile manager and connect your iPhone or iPad to computer via a USB cable. Firstly, I'd like to introduce this mobile manager and how it works. You can go to Media to export and import, delete songs and videos. Go to Photos to export, import, delete photos or photo albums. Go to eBooks to check all eBooks on your phone. You are allowed to export, import, and delete for eBooks. Also, you can manage apps on your phone easily. Go to Information. Here you can manage more contacts. Now back to our topic, to backup and restore notes. We choose Notes. To select all notes, tick off the checkbox next to Contacts above all notes. Or just choose notes you need. You are allowed to check photos and text in detail. Choose notes you need, then click on Backup. You can click Browse to set its output path. Then tap Backup. When you need to restore the backup, navigate to Recover. Choose the backup and start restoring. After recovering process completed, the device will restart automatically to refresh the imported notes. Wait with patience. Do not disconnect your phone, it will be reconnected automatically. Now we go to Information Notes to check the new imported notes. Here I found it. I recovered the same notes just for test. All notes and attached photos are recovered. You can find more tools under Toolkit. For instance, Ringtone Maker, Audio Video Converter, iTunes Library, one-click backup and restore are available here. That's all today. Welcome to www.sync.com to check more tips. Thanks for watching.